Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update monday.com workflows for sales pipeline health checks, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the board that represents your sales pipeline. Identify the specific workflow you need to update. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the workflow column. Select Edit Workflow from the drop-down menu. Review the current status of each stage in your pipeline. Determine which stages require updates or adjustments. For stages needing updates, click on the corresponding column header. In the Settings panel, modify the criteria as needed. Save your changes to apply them to the workflow. Once updated, visualize the workflow to ensure clarity. Engage your team by sharing the revised workflow. Gather feedback from team members on the changes. Adjust any aspects based on team input to refine the pipeline. Conduct regular health checks to monitor the updated workflows. Schedule periodic reviews to ensure ongoing effectiveness. Document any changes made for future reference. Consider using automations to streamline repetitive tasks. Utilize dashboards to track the overall pipeline health. Stay proactive in making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.